Hi lovelies, it's the OG here, Louis Vickery. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm taking you somewhere special. So basically, giving views halfway through the trail. This is a 10 over 10. 10 over 10 plus 10 minus nothing. And I'm getting to do it with my best friend who's come to see me from Germany.
Now I'm filming myself actually.
So this is the Ingleton Waterfall Trails. See, all surrounded in nature. So this is the map of the trails, and we have how many? 6 waterfalls, and it's a 4.5 miles walk. So let's see how the day goes. So this right here is the money tree, the first stop in the trail. It's like within the first mile from the gate. And we have people carving 10 and 20p coins into this tree because they believe it's a sign of good luck. Yeah, so sometimes there's space, but I think at this moment the first money tree is like full, like there's no space to carve in any more coins, but people still do it, you know. Really. It's amazing anyways. So if you come into the trail, this is the first thing that is extraordinary you get to see before the waterfalls. So let's go on. So on this trip, my camera person is going to be Mr. Johan Manuel. I've known Manuel for 5 years now, roughly. We met in Kenya. He lives in Germany. I live in England. The thing is, the walk is really nice. The weather is amazing, but it's cold. It's really cold. But we're not giving up because it's the start of the trail. So on we go. Oh, I think this is more fresh than what is in the river. You see, it's even clear.
Yeah,
Look at this. It's like the springs we drink in Kenya. Anyway, that is me randomly relating to everything I see in nature. But so when Manuel visited, I was thinking, what is the most British thing I will have this guy do? And going for a walk was one of them. So keep up with us. Still on with the trip. We are ongoing. So this is our first spot from the map. So it's called the Mena Bridge. So we cross from one side of the river to the other that is more mountainy. Yep. Crossing the Mena Bridge. So if you get in here, you get to see the middle of the river. Same thing to the other side. So we've had the first viewing point where you can actually see the first waterfall in the trail. It's called the Peka Falls. So I'm gonna turn you around to see it. So this is our first waterfall, the Peka Falls on the trail.
Pika pika!
Peka Falls. That looks good. As usual, I have a question. When was the last time you got out of the house and went out for a walk just to stretch your legs, physical exercise? I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is pure bliss. Like nature grounds you 100%. I've seen young kids do this walk. It's not easy. So the thing is, I have have seen kids do this walk, and it's not easy. What do you think so far?
Yeah, quite easy. Like,
Look at you!
I'm from the Alps.
Okay.
Like, I do this walk for breakfast. So for me it's kind of easy, yeah. But it's fun though.
Well, what do you say? I'm not from the Alps, baby. I'm from the tropical Africa. Well, but it's not so bad. I've seen like 3-year-old, 5-year-olds do the walk, which is really amazing. So on to our next stop. We'll see you there. It's just me, myself, and I. So this is the second waterfall. It's kind of connected. The first, second, and third waterfall in the trail. But it's a good view. I love the water falling, you know. It's really soothing, so it's a fun activity to do. And another one. Woo! I think this is the third one, right? The adventure continues, and at this moment I'm like there is a lot of climbing, guys. So there's this space that I think it's customers litter only. So if you've had a snack and you have some litter, that's the place to throw it, and you keep moving. So you've seen we have even older couples, you know, going at their own pace. As I said earlier, this place takes roughly 2.5 hours to walk around the trail, but you can take 4 hours if you want, 3 hours if you want. You can even take 1 hour if you want. You can even run through it and do like 30 minutes if you want. But as you can see, it's wet, it's not safe to run. And where are you running to? You're out here to enjoy nature, man. The Fountain Falls. Yep. So this space, like, you can sit and have your lunch, take a break. Actually, you want to sit and have a sandwich here because it's been quite a workout. So on we go. Off we walk. This looks really nice though. Well, it's that day. It looks really good. Maybe up a stair. Here? Oh yeah, this looks good. Time for lunch. So, it's time for a snack. So we keep up. And the waterfall is right there. This is quite a stop for most people. Yeah. So we're getting a sandwich, we'll get a coffee when we get to the top. And the struggle continues. The walking is a struggle for me. I'm just trying to make it a hobby. Oh yeah. So the walk continues. I'm very, very grateful for my photographer or my videographer. He's really patient. He's improved over the years I've known him. It's the dance monkey, but I think so.
Dance monkey, dance monkey, dance monkey.
Here. Nothing like I've ever seen. I don't think so. rivers. More rivers. Cross the bridge. The back. So coming to the top of the trail. This is like the topmost part of the walking trail. Oh, they've repaired this. I had deers breaking the wall, by the way. And this is the point where we have the ice cream van that has tea, coffee and everything. So let's see if we need something. Some people have stopped here anyway. So the ice cream van is behind us. Oh my days. Wow, it's getting really hot and there's a nice view of the next part of the walk. There's a quarry here. I'm not sure if it's operational or not. Oh, it's a tiny bit hot. The body feels hot after the long walk. It's not really windy today. Sometimes it's so windy that you can't feel your hands. But today it's really nice. The weather is awesome. So we haven't had any ice cream, but I'm down for a nice coffee. The next stop, they have a coffee machine, by the way. Oh.
So that's like kind of the same thing, I guess.
Look at this tree. Why does he have a bike here though? That's cool. That's really cool. I like that. Oh God, I really hope someone's opening.
It's the
I will
shop.
cry.
It's the coffee place you told
Yeah,
about.
that I told you about. We have pubs where people are not allowed to smoke.
In Germany it's forbidden.
Really?
Completely. Yeah.
So what do people come to the pub to do? Drink?
Smoke outside.
Oh. Oh yeah, okay then. That makes sense. So we are on the lower point of the walk because the entire time we've been walking up and then we walked across and now we are on the last part where we have to walk down into Ingleton village. Come on. So on here my videographer is gonna show you the landscape. I promise there's loads of people doing this walk. We just happened to be by ourselves on this side because we were walking faster than other people. Down the slope we have some holiday cottages, so like you can book a holiday cottage and stay down there for as long as you want. You can come with family, it's kids friendly and stuff, but at the same time I am also told there is space for camper vans down here. Come, let's see. I am impressed. Whichever way you want to go on holiday, this place has got you covered. So basically, giving views halfway through the trail. This is a 10 over 10. 10 over 10 plus 10 minus nothing. Oh no, I see where the... Well, this is a typical England countryside where you're having sheep, boundaries, like farm boundaries made of stones. So guys, I just skipped the washroom area because there was a lot of people and I know some people just want privacy. But then this is the next part where we start seeing our waterfalls. Yes, that is one of them. And from here we begin our descent down to Ingleton village. And my oh my, this is magical. Funny thing is, we have officially missed coffee. My fault. But it's not that bad.
Hey guys, it's the OG Louis B. Carey and we are
In Ingleton Falls. Yeah, that's good. leaves are gone, like the autumn leaves are gone. At this point, I think I've forgotten to count the waterfalls. I know that was supposed to be number 4. I don't know which one is number 5. This is the perfect definition of the river between. Somewhere across the trail. I think I'm in a place where I'm tired of filming, to be fair.
I doubt it.
That's being honest. The woods. What will I be doing on a Saturday afternoon in England? Be in the woods. Hypothetically speaking, nobody wants to do that. Like, I think this country is so small that people don't really have a lot of things to do. Or should we stick to the value nature here? I said I would love to go there, but I don't think I want to. Woo! Some water, clean water. Look at that. Oh, this is so good. But I bet you can't drink this. Look where it's coming from. We have just passed the snowfalls.
Which is not actually snow, but water.
Yeah, actually. So I'd like to know if someone knows why it's called snowfalls. Let me know in the comment section.
Fun fact, I don't care. 4.5 miles. How many kilometers are that, you think? So the work is done. I told you, not getting tired of filming.
But I have to do like some sort of, finishing points line. So we're getting into Ingleton village, which is a very, very nice and quiet village. It's got some fancy houses. Yeah. And we'll probably sit somewhere and have something to eat. I really need a coffee. Yep. Out to swim. Try. Finally, stopped by a fish and chippy to get something to eat. End of the day, end of the trail. Yeah. So this is Ingleton village. We've had some nice chippies, Okay.
We'll get one in Edinburgh.
Oh yeah, souvenir shops if you wanna drop in and get something. So yeah, overall it's been a beautiful day. It hasn't really showed where they are going. So it's literally, what time is it? It's 3:30 and it's getting dark. My camera has been rolling the entire time. Oh, for sale.
Live like here.
Oh really?
Beautiful.
Yeah. But I love that person's garden. It's really nice. Is it like one person? It can't be one person's house. Maybe limited free parking.
Oh my god, that one more back here.
Yeah, it's got like, it's like coming in from the gate, toilets. Yeah, so we are going back in because this is the parking space. So we walked all the way around, came through the village and coming in through where we came in at first. And now we have to get to the car. It's really cold. Ooh, the parking space is empty. So the trailing day has come to an end. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video as much as I have enjoyed making it. And hopefully if you love it and you are in the north of England, please do come here. And if you're not in the north, you can still take a train and come here. Ingleton Waterfall Trail is worth a visit. Please do come. Oh my days. Asanteni kwa kuja. That's Swahili to mean thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next vlog as we cruise in Avanti West Coaster's first class train to another country in the UK. See you soon. Bye.